Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It is Mila B, and today guys I am doing a little protective style to last me this week because I don't feel like combing my hair, so I needed something that would be cute, simple, and quick. So before I get started, y'all don't mind my eyebrows. I just redid them with the henna so they're super dark, but by the morning they'll be perfect. If you want to know how I do my eyebrows with the henna, check out my last video. I'll make sure to leave it in the description box. But anyways, I have already shampooed, deep conditioned my hair, and I twisted it into twist and left the banging butter from Parker J's in my hair as well as the Magic Mane oil, and I let my hair air dry overnight. So I took it down and then I'm brushing it, and I just put some edge control, the Style Factor, just to kind of smooth my edges. And I picked up this little curly braiding hair from my beauty supply, and I picked, I believe this is the color 30. So what I'm going to do, guys, I tried to get as close as possible so you guys can see what I'm doing. I am flat twisting my hair with two pieces of hair. So when I get to this point, I'm going to slowly start to add hair just so that way at the end my hair could have more length. This was more so for length rather than fullness. So you'll see me adding just a small piece right here. And then I flip it over my finger so that way it's locked in there, and then I just continue twisting. So I'm going to do this a few more times so you guys can see how to do it. But I am just going to go down just so I can secure it. I'm going to add one more of the strands of hair, and I'm going to basically put one strand underneath my finger and one on top. And then I just continue twisting. So what that does is it basically allows the two pieces to stay separate, and that way they'll integrate into my hair. So for the next, from here on out, guys, I really want to post more hair videos because hair is my first love, and I feel like I've kind of strayed away from that. So I will be posting more like how-to type videos from here on out, as well as my nail videos, but just throwing a little bit more hair into my channel. So anyways, like I said earlier, guys, I'm going to add a piece of hair, and I'll put one at the bottom, one at the top, and then I'll just continue twisting until I get the desired length. So once again, I put a piece of that hair underneath my finger and a piece on top, catch it with the rest of my hair, and then I just continue twisting. So if the outside of your hair is not perfectly smooth, you can use Eco Gel or any type of gel like that. But I knew that I was going to tie my hair down, and my hair does a pretty good job if I put a rag on it. So I wasn't really too stressed on the back of my hair not being like super silky smooth. So I'm just going to continue twisting this all the way down until I get to the point where I'm just done. I'm so sorry about this angle, guys. I kept trying to move so that way I can be in a better position so you can see what I'm working with. So on the next side, I believe the camera angle is a little bit easier for you guys to see certain parts, but it's gonna be the same method. When I get to the end, I basically twist it all the way to the end, and then I just tie a knot at the end, and that's really all I do. This type of hair, it's not really tangly, but it will tangle, and the tangle kind of works in your favor because it kind of locks it into place. So after I do my little knot, I just leave it alone and just trim the end. So I'm going to do the same thing on this other side. I'm going to take down my flat twist, apply my edge control to get my hair just somewhat smoother, and then I'm going to begin the twisting process all over again. So because I'm working with the other side of my head, it's gonna look a little weird, but it's still the same method. Always keep one piece underneath and one piece on top. So basically wherever your hair is, you should have a piece of braiding hair or twisted hair. So you can see me right here putting one piece underneath my finger, one on top, and then just continuing to twist it. I know this may seem a little hard, but guys, I promise you, if you really take your time at the beginning, this will be like second nature. It'll be super easy. This entire process I did without using a mirror. So you just, like, over time, you'll just learn how to just, you know, kind of feel. So just keep practicing. It's really a lot easier than it looks. So once again, keep a piece underneath your finger and a piece on top. Just don't let those pieces go and continue to twist. Once I twisted it to the end and tied the knot, I went ahead and I just trimmed them just so they can be somewhat even. They're not really going to be, you know, they don't have to be perfect, but just trim it to kind of be even. And as far as baby hairs, I'm going to be honest with you guys, I just kind of like to lay mine basic. I'm not real, you know, fancy with my baby hair, so I just add a little bit more edge control and I just lightly comb it because I just, you know, be trying to preserve and protect. So I don't really do too much to my baby hairs. I'm kind of basic, boring. And I'll add a little shaper spray. My favorite spray to add on my hair is Sebastian's shaper spray. I like it because it's brushable and it's soft, and then I can tie my hair wrap and not have to worry about crunchiness. So that's pretty much it for me. Just make sure you kind of smooth anything that might be left out, spray it, tie it down, and voila, that's it, y'all. So yeah, if you like that shirt, let me know, guys. I'll tell you where to get it from. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you later. Bye.